Keeping your wheels clean and looking great can be a hard job. DP Dual Action Tire and Wheel Cleaner makes this task quick and easy. DP Dual Action Tire and Wheel Cleaner is a fast-acting formula that removes dirt, dust, road grime, mud, brake dust, and more from your tires and wheels. This viscous liquid clings to the surface, allowing the cleaning action to immediately start breaking down the stronghold contaminants have. Safe for use on all wheel types, DP Dual Action Tire and Wheel Cleaner prepares the surface for your desired tire dressing, gel, or sealant. Spray DP Dual Action Tire and Wheel Cleaner directly onto the wheel and allow it to dwell for approximately 30 seconds. For wheels, use a wheel-safe brush to agitate the surface and remove surface contamination. For tires, use a tire brush to scrub and remove old dressings and more from the surface. Rinse away with water and dry before applying your protective product. Thick formula clings to wheel surface, removes dirt, road grime, and brake dust, and safe on all wheel types. DP Detailing Products, exceptional car care products for the professional, enthusiast, and everyday driver.